Cells, variety in number, shape and size. Cells in organisms show variety in its number, size and shape. Variation in number. Unicellular organisms. Number of cells in an organism varies from 1 to billions and trillions. Some organisms are made up of a single cell. Such organisms are called unicellular organisms. Example: amoeba, Euglena, paramecium, etc. Even if their body is comprised of a single cell, these organisms can perform all the functions necessary for its survival. Amoeba can move with the help of pseudopodia, can capture food and digest it, can respire and also reproduce. Multicellular organisms. Organisms made up of more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. Example: human beings, a large tree, an elephant, etc. In multicellular organisms, cell is the lowest level of organism. Group of cells form a tissue. Group of tissues form an organ. Group of organs form an organ system, and many such organ systems form an organism. Every specific function, such as digestion, respiration, excretion, etc., is carried out by a specific organ system, and all these organ systems coordinate for the survival of the organism. All multicellular organisms start their life as a single cell, the fertilized egg. This fertilized egg multiplies and the number of cells increases as a part of development. Variation in shape. Shape of the cells may vary with the function they perform. Example: red blood cells in human beings are spherical in shape. Muscle cells are spindle-shaped as they help in movement. Nerve cells are elongated and branched as they carry messages between different body parts. And skin cells are flat as skin covers a large area on the body. Some cells do not have a fixed shape. They continuously change shapes. Example: amoeba and white blood cells. Variation in size. The size of a cell may be small as micron, millionth of a meter. Such cells are not visible to the naked eye. These cells can be seen under a microscope. The smallest cell in bacteria measures 0.1 to 0.5 microns. The largest cell is the egg of an ostrich, which measures 120 millimeters, 130 millimeters. Human nerve cells are the longest cells.